Hello everyone, this is your Sarah. I hope you all liked my leadership video, and in this video we are going to see how to tackle depression and what are all the symptoms and how to take preventive measures. Okay, I don't know why people are afraid to speak about this topic called depression, and mental health is as important as physical health. And I'm telling you, just go ahead and love yourself. I don't know why are you expecting or waiting for others love or others has to take care of you. You have your happiness within yourselves. Okay, so now we are going to see the symptoms of this. First of all, do not isolate yourself from others, and you will have a sleeping disorder, like you will wake up from sleep, or due to overthinking you're not able to sleep properly. So just have a proper sleep and plan for it. Okay, and less involvement or less interest in the activities which you are doing so far. And the thing is, do not suppress your feelings and try to change your daily routine. And also, there will be an inner voice which will keep on telling you why you have to get up from the bed and what is the purpose of your life. And so many negative thoughts will be running you, keep on running your mind. So just do against your inner voice, as simple as that. And make your family as your priority and your friends as your priority. Do not do not get isolated from those people. And the thing is, if you are feeling uh, worried or overthinking, if you have some problem, just talk to people. Or if you cannot talk to them at the first time itself, just take a pen and paper and write down what and all worries you are having, so that at least you can think about the solutions what you can do over that. Simply just keep on thinking again and again will just drown you into that. And what people will do actually when they are depressed is, like, they will start listening to the sad songs. Do not do that, and that's a very big addictive action, I'll tell you. Okay, so don't listen to sad songs, and if you listen to one song, stop there and start listening the happy songs. And also, if you are feeling something bad, or you are thinking that you don't get what you want or you don't have something, that moment just wait a second, just flip the plate and think what you have in your hand right now and how you achieved those things. For example, what you have might others will not have that. For example, you have studied properly and you are graduate now. Many people are longing for that graduation and they don't have money to study. In that, when compared to that, you are well and good, right? So what and all good things you have, just think about it. It's not like you are only in depressed state. Might be your friends or your dear and near ones may be there in this situation. So just try to help them. Nobody will come and tell that they are in depressed state. If they are in depressed state, they will simply just live in a different world. So just try to involve them in what and all activities you are doing. Just help them. Okay, and uh, if you have this feel, just try to change your daily routine and sleep at least for 8 hours. And if you are planning for some activities, do not postpone that. Keep yourself occupied all the time and set some goals and move forward. And mostly physic take care of your physique. So concentrate more on building your body, like do exercise every day. Okay, here I just want to stop and tell you a story. Know who you are. Okay, there is a famous story, lion goat story. Here there was a lion. Lion cub was there, and it got lost in the forest. There comes this goat mother, and this goat mother has taken this lion cub along with her to her house, and she fed that lion cub as how she will feed for her goat babies. So finally what happened is, this lion cub started eating grass, and it started playing with these goats. So they become like they treated the lion like a goat. So the lion was thinking that it is a goat. Okay, one fine day there came a gigantic lion, and which is old also. On seeing this behavior of this lion cub, it got shocked. Actually this old lion came to hunt these goats, but on seeing this lion cub, it just left, and it was thinking what happened to this lion and why it is behaving differently. And it came and spoke to that lion cub. It pulled the lion cub, and it took it to nearby river, and it showed the face into the water. On seeing the face in the water, then only the lion cub realized it resembles the old lion, and it doesn't resemble like the goat mother anymore. Then only it thought like, okay, I am a lion. Then it automatically started roaring, and it started eating meat. So it's like, know who you are. And here comes my favorite phrase, unleash your potential. So know who you are and unleash your potential. I'll tell you, you are a lion and you can unleash your potential. So tell me why you are feeling depressed, maybe because of love failure. I'll teach you a slogan, forget mala and take kala. Okay, and do you feel your job is very difficult, or you are overloaded, or you are lost somewhere, or you couldn't learn anything is bothering you about your work? Then it's like, love your job and don't love your company. Okay, and if you are a student, are you worrying about the engineering seat or doctor seat? Do you feel that only these two professions are there existing in this world? Oh no. So you can tell this slogan, there is always a plan B. Why don't you think about becoming a table tennis player, football player, cricketer, musician? Why unnecessarily you are thinking about only those two, doctor or engineering, and getting into trouble and depressed state? Please just don't do that. You have always a option B. So to be summarized, 3 slogans I have taught you: forget mala and take kala for love failure people, and love your job and don't love your company for whoever is having the pressure in work. And for students, engineering seat or doctor seat, they are worried much about their results and the marks. There is always a option B. Do not worry about anything. Okay, so here I would like to conclude, like, if you still worried and you sense that you are depressed, please just come out and speak up. You have my personal WhatsApp number if you know me very well, or you can write email to me in the below mentioned email ID so that I can help you. Take care of your dear and near ones. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.